In today's pharmaceutical industry, equipment management is not just an operational need, it is a critical compliance requirement. However, many organizations still struggle with manual equipment tracking, missed preventive maintenance, compliance risks with GMP and FDA regulations, lack of data driven decision making, and absence of proper equipment identification. These challenges not only impact efficiency but also increase downtime and regulatory risks. At our organization, we have successfully served 490 plus clients and delivered 325 plus projects, helping them achieve up to 99.9% equipment uptime through digital transformation. Introducing the Equipment Management System, a comprehensive web-based platform designed specifically for pharmaceutical equipment lifecycle management. The system dashboard provides a complete overview at a glance. You can monitor total equipment, preventive maintenance compliance, open work orders, breakdowns, calibration due status, and spare parts inventory, all presented through intuitive graphical representations for quick decision-making. The Equipment Register allows you to manage all your plant equipment digitally with complete details and classification based on criticality, low, medium, high, or critical. In the Work Orders section, you can track all work orders in one place, including status, due dates, and actions taken, ensuring full visibility and control. Preventive maintenance helps you schedule activities in advance so you can avoid unexpected breakdowns. You can also generate work orders directly from here. With recurring tasks, you can easily monitor active tasks, overdue tasks, and upcoming activities. The maintenance window provides a calendar-based view, so you always know what action is required and when. Calibration management ensures your equipment stays fully compliant. Track last calibration date, next due date, agency details, and calibration status all in one place. The breakdown log provides clear graphical insights, helping you identify patterns and reduce downtime effectively. With spare parts inventory, you can manage stock efficiently and define minimum levels, so critical parts are always available. The digital checklist ensures every task is completed properly with full tracking and accountability. The ETP management module provides complete monitoring of industrial wastewater treatment, including detoxification and recycling processes. You can track flow trends, pH trends, BOD and COD levels, and water recovery, ensuring compliance with CPCB and SPCB regulations. The STP management module helps you monitor wastewater treatment operations with insights into flow trends, BOD removal efficiency, daily logs, sludge management, and equipment details. Track fuel consumption, including diesel, gas, and LPG. Monitor usage plant-wise, manage stock and purchases, and perform cost analysis effectively. The Demineralized Plant Management module provides detailed operational insights, including conductivity, pH levels, regeneration cycles, plant availability, chemical cost, resin life, and quality compliance. You can also manage operations, inventory, QC analytics, and maintenance activities. Generate powerful reports such as PN compliance, downtime analysis, spare parts reports, and work orders for better decision making. The audit trail feature ensures complete transparency. Every action is recorded for full traceability and compliance. Manage all documents, including SOPs, work instructions, forms, and reports in one centralized system. Maintain training records such as GMP training and fire safety drills and schedule sessions easily. With barcode and label generation, you can instantly create barcodes for any equipment. Once scanned, It provides complete equipment details immediately. The system also includes inbuilt AI assistants, helping monitor operations, send reminders, predict upcoming tasks, and detect anomalies. The AI chatbot allows you to ask questions anytime, ensuring critical tasks are never missed. You can create users and assign role-based access, ensuring secure and controlled operations. Thank you. We look forward to partnering with you to empower your operations with smarter, compliant, and efficient systems on your digital transformation journey.